My beautiful friends, how are you all doing? Hope you are still getting position for all of these airdrops. Okay, so here is another one. If you go to the description of this video, or you go to my TG channel, Telegram channel, you are gonna see the link to sign up pinned in there. Okay, so once you get the link, copy it, go to your Mrs. browser, download your Mrs. browser from the Google Play Store if you don't have it, okay, and search that link. Once you search it, you will be prompted to log in, okay, log in, okay. So once you log in with your account, it is going to bring you to this page, and immediately this is going to pop up, okay, asking you to download the extension from the Chrome Web Store. If this doesn't pop up, I've still got the link to the Chrome Web Store where you can download the extension for this project, okay. It is in my Telegram group, or you can check the description of this video. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to click on download. Follow me closely. So we want to add Mygate network node extension. Okay, so I'm going to click on add to desktop, and it is now added to desktop. And one thing you can do is, if you click on this three dots, okay, it's gonna show you these. Okay, so you can click on this right here to always change to desktop mode. Okay, so it has been added. All I need to do now is to click on that icon there and look for Mygate somewhere among my extensions. Here I've got it here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it. So now I am prompted to log in. I'm just gonna click on the login button. Once you're logged in, your Mygate network dashboard is going to look like this. So all you need to do is to go to this right here. Okay, that's gonna show you the things you are supposed to do. Okay, let me click on that again. So all of these things here are the things you are supposed to do. So there is a daily mission. Okay, always log in daily to claim this point, and there are other things. You can see all of them here. Okay, make sure you have all of them completely done. Okay, so you would earn more points. And there is something here very important that I want to point out. Look at this. Okay, if your total uptime reaches 72 hours, you are gonna claim this. So what does this mean? Okay, once you get this connected and working, okay, always log in daily. Okay, maybe after about 4 or 5 days, you are gonna get up to 72 hours of uptime. Okay, uptimes are very important with these node projects. Okay, so you can go to this right here to grab your referral link. Okay, clicking on that is gonna bring you to this page, and all you need to do is to click on this, okay, to tweet your referral link. Of course, this is your referral code, and you can read more of the details here about it. Okay, so this is it for this video. I've got more videos on my YouTube channel. You can check all of them here. Other videos about deepings, node projects, and what have you. Okay, check all of this and get positioned. Let's see how much we're gonna make in 2025. Let's go.